If you're looking for spacious living, smart updates, and a great community, keep watching. Our newest home today is a prime example of a move-in ready home in an excellent neighborhood. Our newest listing is at 941 Rotary Way in Findlay Creek, Leitrim. Here are 3 reasons why this is an excellent home. Number 1 is the location. You can find it directly across from sports fields and close to great schools and shopping. Number 2 is space. It has over 3,500 square feet of space spread across 2 floors and a basement that's ready for your finishing touches. And third is polish. It has great finishes and a fresh, contemporary feel. But before we take you through the rest of the home, Kareem is going to show you a little bit about what makes this neighborhood such a wonderful one for families.
Findlay Creek is one of Ottawa's most sought-after neighborhoods for families, and it's easy to see why. You're in the city's south end, just off of Bank Street. Direct access to 417, the airport, and downtown. But what really sets this neighborhood apart is the fact it's built for families. You'll find a wide variety of newer detached homes, quiet streets, and an incredibly strong sense of community. Outdoor time is a big part of life here. Your steps from multiple parks and walking paths, and right across the street from this home are the Findlay Creek sports fields, a hub for soccer, baseball, and community events. This is a neighborhood where kids ride their bikes after school, neighbors know each other by name, and you have amenities very close by. This is a neighborhood meant for families and ready to welcome its next great family.
Built in 2013, this home offers 2,482 square feet above grade with an additional 1,048 in the full basement. The main level is equipped with a 2-story great room, a dedicated dining room, a beautiful eat-in kitchen, powder room, and access to your garage. Everything is polished, carpet-free, and move-in ready.
Step out to your private backyard, which is completely fenced, perfect for pets, kids, or barbecues alike. It's also a very deep lot, meaning you won't have to make eye contact while brushing your teeth at night.
My favorite part is this bright and open great room. We can't wait to give you a private tour.
Don't forget to check out our floor plans, pre-list home inspection, and more at nickfundytus.ca.
Ready for your personal tour? Reach out to us today and have one of our team take you through this fantastic home. If you know someone who would fall in love with Rotary Way, have them reach out to us, share this video, and we'll help them make their perfect move to Findlay Creek. And 3 is location. It's located.
Families will love this place because of reasons, I bet.
It's located. Nick, come on, get it together, man.